Hey guys, welcome Technical Video here. Today in this video I am going to introduce to you one application which will allow you to access any radio station around the globe. You can choose any radio station from any country and you can enjoy the music. You can also enjoy multiple podcasts this app has. So guys, talking about radio stations, it's very easy. If you want to play particular radio stations or choose any radio stations, it's just simple. Go to stations option and just tap on filter. It will display multiple countries name. You can choose any country you want to and it will display all the stations from the particular country and you can choose that stations and you can enjoy the music, or else you can choose global option. Okay, and just type a radio station you want to play and it will display that station name. It's very easy. So it's like choose a country and it will display all the stations, or choose global and type any station name, it will display here. And friends, the best thing will be the radio stations which you will be playing will have a zero disturbance and the music and the audio will be clear. Here on this video I can't play any audio and show you because it might give me a copyright strike or copyright issue, but the audio quality is very clear and it will not have any disturbance while playing a radio station. Friends, now let's see how to get this application on your mobile. Just go to Safari browser and open Google and search for AppScope. Right, it's a PWA application. So just visit this AppScope website and it will show you just like your Apple App Store. And here we need to search for a one tuner. Okay, there are multiple applications. Search for one tuner. Okay, here we have one tuner. Just tap on the application. Now choose to launch app. Just launch the app and it will open a new tab, and here we have one tuner. Now let's add it as an application on your iPhone. For that, just tap on share icon and scroll down and just choose add to home screen. And here it is added as a normal App Store app to your iPhone home screen, and from here you can access this app and enjoy any radio station around the globe, and you can enjoy any country music you want. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.